Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. So, this can move away. I still have lots to do, but I'm trying to get things out of the car. Oh, and nothing quite like a bag with count them, three Commodore 64 power supplies. It's heavy. Heavy, 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 heavy. Now, there's something written on the bottom. Niagara. And then there's this one. This one, ooh. Well, it's here. I don't think it's dangerous. Let's see here. Where is the cord? Oh, how tangled we can be. How tangled. Well, what a mess. What a mess. Maybe I just need to get these all separated. See what's what. Talk about tangled. Like when I used to go fishing with my grandmother and you'd launch it out there and sometimes you'd get what was called a backlash. Things just didn't go well. Okay, that's separate, now. Whew, this one here. I would think it has had some trouble in its life. Why do I think that? Well, let's just say that connection is not from the factory. It really isn't. So obviously at some point, something was done. Or, something got run over, an animal ate something. I don't know what, but something happened. All right, well, I think what I'm going to do is give these a quick run through. I'm going to unplug the 128 power supply and then plug in the 64 one. That definitely has had some sort come on. There. Some sort of cord replacement. And perhaps not the best. But the main thing is, if this comes up at a good voltage, then maybe it's okay. Huh. 5.14. Well, every time I cut the cords off of one of these, I save them. I do. But I guess the other thing I should do before I get in too deep to this maybe I should grab a big 20. Oh, come on. What do we have here? Big 20. Everything socket works okay with the make race. Joystick okay. Cost reduced. Zero dusty. All needs to be cleaned inside. Big chip. Missing. Oh. That doesn't help. I'll put that outside of this box to get it on the way. Because everything got to get out of here. What is this? Oh, look, it's a keyboard. Kind of broken. Oh, no. Can't do that. Big chip missing. Okay, what do we got here? Works okay. Works. Keyboard needs cleaning. Will not work with multiple monitors. Vic okay. Sound okay too. All but 2 ROMs and sockets, power connector. Okay. Oh, it's a 2-pronger. Ugh. That's beautiful. It felt thicker. All right. Hang on. Oh, what is this? Oh, they're missing some keys. We're missing some keys. We're missing some keys. What do we got? Current work. Work some broken keys. Cost reduced board. All major chips and sockets. Omega race. Okay. You know what? After all that, I think I really need a 64. Because I really want to do it on this monitor here. So, as much as that's a beautiful thought, it's not. Now, I had a 64 here that was working, but I have since dismembered it to fix other things. But I know there's more. I know there are. So, I'm going to... Oh, what's on top of this now? There's always more stuff. Okay. Paper bag. Oh my, I've got there 128 things. Oh, look. It's a Super Pet book. Okay. Now, I think it's possible that maybe I have a 64 here. Oh, things. What do we got here? 64 works all chips but U3 put in another computer. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, yeah. This one too looks like it's been. Oh, and it's screwed shut. It looks like it's been dismembered. All right, we'll just keep on digging. That's a keyboard. That's a keyboard. Oh, that's a keyboard for a VIC 20. Some discs. All right, we're down into the world of, look, it's a Commodore 64. Now, what does this say? Replace PLA 7701. Case has small crack. 1 RAM. All major chip good, fair, populated. Ooh, we have been populated. Okay, boy, that sucker is heavy, whatever that is. Okay, how many? We do have 8 pins. We do. So should we go? Let's peek inside. Indeed, we are populated. Okay, now, keeping in mind, the 9 volts could indeed be bad, but generally it doesn't do damage. We will find the business end of this power supply, despite its funky wiring. The power is on. Oh, that needs to be in. We are plugged in. We are turning it on. Huh. All right. All right, nothing is coming up. All right, let's back up a bit. Where is the cord from the power supply that I had plugged in? Oh, man. That goes to there. What's going on here? Who's in charge? Okay, maybe this is the cord. Okay. My golly. Where's, okay, so that is plugged in. So this is also plugged in. Oh, there it is. It's right there. Okay, maybe I should have done this first. So this is a power supply I've been using. Turn this on. Let me have a look again. Everything seems to be in there. Works. Replaced. So case has small crack, one RAM. Only good repair. Populated. Keyboard. Good. Oh, what have I done? Have I done something bad? Well, it is possible. Oh, dear. Just a moment. What's this? Working all chips for E3. Not sure about that. 4 rams. 3. Get very hot. No fuse. Oh, it's missing things. I've taken things out. Shocking. Alright. What's this beautiful thing? Fuse in. Shift lock bad. 5-pin video. That's no good. That is no good. What do we have here? Oh. Clean works. Keyboard might need clean. Need to run diagnostics. Okay. Okay. I'm hoping I've not done damage. So, power is off. Put this over here. Put this in here. Turn it on. Okay, up it comes. Good. Now, am I brave enough to plug this in for a second here and see what's what? I don't know. I suppose I am. Right. Okay. So that's a good. Even though it needs work. It needs work. Alright, let's see here. $5.15. Okay. What I typically do with these things is take a Sharpie and write on the end what's what. 5.15. Okay. Wood. Now, this can come out. It can. And it seems to be okay. But it does need work on that cord. Look at that cord. So I'm going to put this just over there. Okay. Now, we'll plug this in and we'll see what this reads. 5.19. Okay. That looks like there is hope. Turn it in quickly, see if we see anything bad. If we do, we'll shut it off. Okay. So it seems quickly. That's okay. And on the tape here, on the bottom, over 5.19. All right. Now, take this one and put it over here. And then finally, the last of the three. Where is the cord? Oh, there we are. Funny, some of them are 3-prong, some of them are 2. I never knew how it ended up that they'd be different, but they did. Okay, so this one, 5.09. So that seems reasonable. I'm going to put this in. We'll turn it on, but be ready to turn it off quickly. Up it comes. All right, 5.09. Now, I suppose I should, at some point, plug these in and let them sit for a good long time and see if anything happens. But this is not that moment in time. It is not. Oh, there. It is not. So we'll go back to the 64 here with the power supply that we've been using. Turn it on. Up it comes. Okay. Oh, and of course, this phone that has the wonky charging thing is not charging, but it is now. Okay. So here we have a random 64 that is working. And who knows? Anyway, I gotta move them all. I gotta go through them all. I must figure them all out. But there's another thing that I really need to do in the next video. There were joysticks came along, and I need to test them. So what better way to test them was win Omega Race on the VIC-20. So I will turn this off. I will turn this off. And I will say, see you next time when we check out the joystick collection. Thanks for coming. Thanks for being here. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.